This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Todd David. Absolutely stunning custom 2/2/2 villa that features an open floor plan with lots of light flowing throughout the whole house, making your first impression such a refreshing, cheerful one. There is a lot of custom features in this Waterford built home, including tray ceilings, built-in storage cabinets and computer desk in the kitchen area, built-in shelving with lighting in the foyer, a large walk-in Roman shower in the master suite, and epoxy floor coating in garage. The kitchen also has newer appliances and also newer washer and dryer. Home is being sold furnished for you to enjoy right away. You will experience totally maintenance-free living, including basic cable, water, sewer, trash, roof and walkways pressure washed every 3 years, roof repaired and replaced as needed, painting outside, AC serviced and filter changed twice a year, dryer lint trap cleaned out twice a year, window washing inside and out once a year, bug treatment as needed, and yard maintenance. This gated 55+ community is conveniently located near restaurants, shopping, golfing and the beach. This is what you have waited for, so don't miss out on the opportunity to live the Florida lifestyle you deserve. Call for an appointment today. For more information, review the details below.